When school starts this year, things will be a bit different so that we all stay safe. Adjust your child's sleep schedule 2 to 3 weeks before school. Book haircuts and any other appointments well ahead of back to school. Make visual schedules of your child's morning and evening routines so they know what to do before school and after. Talk to your child's teacher about what fidgets or sensory items help your child throughout the day. Talk to your child about what items they'll have available and when to use them. For example, if you're nervous, your squishy is in your backpack. Allow your child to make choices during school preparations. For example, choice of lunch item or clothing to wear on the first day. Let your child know that some things won't change, like your love, support, and even time with their siblings and playing their favorite games. Introduce any changes that will be taking place at school, such as wearing a mask, social distancing, and washing your hands. Discuss COVID-19 measures that will be in place at their school. Regular hand washing is one of the best ways to remove germs, avoid getting sick, and prevent the spread of germs to others. Share important information and documentation with your child's school. Prepare a list of questions for the school. For example, who is my school point person to contact if my child gets sick? Provide time and space for your child to ask questions. Troubleshoot potential solutions to any problems or scenarios that may come up. Now you're all ready for back to school.